Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, then I'm Vipra Patil and I make videos related beauty, fashion and lifestyle. My today's video is about my skincare regime in association with Just Herbs. Just Herbs, a luxurious and safe natural skincare brand. Just Herbs is a line of pure, bespoke and Ayurvedic, results-driven skincare made from certified organic and wild-crafted ingredients collected from across India. The brand stands for its honesty. They have full ingredients disclosure given and purity, uses authentic Ayurvedic herbs without any chemicals. So coming to my regime, the products that were sent to me were after a proper consultation. Details about my skin texture, problem area and the concern I face dealing with the same, as I have an oily, acne prone skin, were taken into consideration and such suitable products were suggested. Though the product I'm using are sent across as collaboration, sharing my honest review after trying and using them for a month now. So my morning skincare regime is usually a 4-step organic skincare regime, but twice a week I incorporate a scrub and a face pack into the same. So today I'm sharing my full 6-step regime. First, I start with the Skin Splash Neem Orange Rehydrant Face Wash. This is a chemical-free face wash. It's gentle, mild foaming and everyday cleanser that cleans up skin so well. This face wash has a semi-runny consistency. It is very subtle, smooth and refreshing, which instantly wakes up my morning mind. The key ingredients are sandalwood, neem and honey that cleanses, leaving the skin rightly balanced. This face wash has helped me keeping my frequent breakouts at bay. It's a superb acne controlling ability. Step 2. I'm using an exfoliator, Lively Clean Honey Exfoliating Face Cleansing Gel. This I use twice a week. This is a gel-based honey scrub with small granules of orange peel. Though most of the scrubs tend to aggravate my acne, but this one is mild and clean up skin well. Removes the dead skin particles and leaves the skin fresh and hydrated. Taking 2 pumps of the product and gently massaging onto the skin in a circular motions. Wash off with the water and pat dry the face with a towel. Next up, I go with a mud mask. This is a Petal Soft Anti-Tan Rose Face Pack. This one again is advised to use twice a week. This comes in a tub packaging. I love the rosy aroma of this pack. The consistency is quite thick but spreads evenly though. This gives a slight tingling sensation during application around my mouth and upper cheek area, but subsides later once set. This is not a cause of worry, as they have note printed on the packaging saying this happens due to the herbs acting on the skin. I keep this around 10 to 15 minutes and wash off with the lukewarm water and later pat dry my face. This does give that fresh, glowy, better textured skin post application. My 4th step is followed by a toner, Pomegranate Mandarin Pore Refining Toner. This comes with a spray packaging which makes the application easy. This is an alcohol-free toner with no artificial fragrance. This has considerably worked on my open pores, refines the skin and makes the skin look fresh. I allow the toner to air dry. My 5th step is followed by my favorite product from the lot, Gotu Kola Ginseng Exfoliator Facial Serum. This hydrates and brightens the skin naturally. It fights wrinkles, dark spots, acne, pimples and uneven skin tone effectively. This serum is super lightweight and non-greasy. This is advised to apply after cleansing and toning the face before application of any moisturizer or a sunscreen. Just a pea size of a product is sufficient to cover the face, so 1 bottle shall go a long way. The consistency is viscous, it melts super easily, massage gently with upward strokes and until it's fully absorbed into the skin. Step 6. Final step with my daytime skincare regime. Whether you step out or no, sunscreen is a must. Using No Sun Jojoba Bead Germ Moisturizing Sun Protection Gel. I love the formula of this product. This is so lightweight and does not clog the pores. Requires just 1 to 2 pumps. Dot it and spread it evenly and vanishes in the skin, leaving no white cast on the skin. Leaves the skin well hydrated and supple. The only problem here is they haven't mentioned the SPF. Now coming to my nighttime skincare regime, I start with using the same face wash and a toner, followed by their star product Kumshukadi Tel. It's a glow boosting facial oil. This brightens up dull skin, boosts facial glow, reduces pigmentation and works on all skin types. The key ingredient in this are Palash flower and a cold pressed sesame oil with 17 other Ayurvedic herbs. When I heard about the product, I was reluctant to use oil as my skin itself is oily. Had couple of concerns with the breakout, will they break out me but nothing happened so. This is a yellow liquid with a runny consistency and oil but does not feel oily and sticky on application. I apply 4 drops as I'm doing here and gently massage with circular upward motions to spread evenly, followed by my Jade facial roller. They shall boost the blood circulation and help the product penetrate faster into the layers of the skin. My skin the next morning looks really healthier and plumped up since I have started using this. Also, this has won the Cosmopolitan Beauty Award in the year 2019 for Best Facial Oil. Next step, followed by under eye gel, Eye Clear. This is again a lightweight, nourishing gel, comes in a tub packaging, a tiny amount covers the entire eye area. I also take it up on my eyelids as I really got pigmentation there as well. This has not considerably worked for me yet as the other products, but I am not fully blaming the product as I really have prominent dark circles. And I think the problem is also hereditary. So I'm going to continue with the product as it left no side effect on my skin but nor has worked in my favor yet. Lastly, finishing off with another favorite product is this Blemi Gel. It's an anti-blemish gel. This too comes in a tub packaging. I take a small amount and dot it all over my face and neck area. This spreads smoothly and evenly. It's a lightweight and a non-greasy. It feels very cool during the application and gives a calming sensation to my skin. This has worked beautifully on my skin as my acne marks has reduced considerably. This has managed to keep my skin in a good shape, healthy and supple. So overall, I kinda liked all the products from this brand. They have sturdy and a travel friendly packaging. I love the fact that Just Herbs are so transparent about what goes inside their product. All their products are free from petrochemicals, parabens, SLS, genetically modified ingredients and other harmful synthetic ingredients. All their product is not heavily scented. There is a mild calming aroma to each of these products. I shall share the price of the product individually in the description box below, also the links of their website for purchase. I hope you find this video useful. Let me know if you have tried any products from this brand in the comment section below. Do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and stay gorgeous.